Did you know 9 experienced hikers walked into a Russian mountain in 1959 and never walked out? Their tent was found sliced open from the inside. They ran into -30-degree temperatures without shoes, without coats, without looking back. Something made them run so fast they didn't stop to dress. Their bodies were found scattered across the snow. Some had crushed ribs with no external wounds, as if something had squeezed them from the inside. One was missing her tongue, her eyes still open. The Soviet government classified the case immediately, declared the cause of death an unknown compelling force. The case was reopened in 2019, then quietly closed again, without answers. 9 people who knew exactly what they were doing ran from something so terrifying they chose the blizzard instead. And whatever they saw, they never got the chance to warn anyone.